Welcome back to English Through Stories. Today we're going to take you on a fun adventure to the restaurant. Through this story, you'll improve your English while learning useful phrases and vocabulary. Let's get started.
Anna, look at this place. Bella's Bistro looks so inviting.
Ben, yes, and I heard they have great reviews. I'm excited to try their food.
Lisa, I hope they have a table for us. It's quite busy today.
Tom, let's go in and see if we can get a seat.
Welcome to Bella's Bistro. How many are in your party?
Anna, there are 4 of us.
Lisa, the menu looks delicious. Look at all these options.
Tom, I'm not sure what to choose. Do you think the steak is good here?
Anna, let's ask the waiter for recommendations. I'm thinking of trying the pasta.
Waiter, good evening. Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
Ben, we're almost ready. Can you tell us about today's specials?
Waiter, certainly. Today, we have a special seafood risotto and a grilled lamb chop. Both are popular choices.
Lisa, that sounds great. I'll have the seafood risotto.
Tom, I'll try the lamb chop. And could we get a side of garlic bread as well?
Waiter, absolutely. And for you?
Anna, I'll have the pasta primavera, please.
Ben, I'll go with the steak. How would you recommend it be cooked?
Waiter, our steak is best cooked medium rare, but we can prepare it to your preference.
Ben, medium rare sounds perfect.
Waiter, excellent choices. I'll get these orders in for you.
Anna, I love trying new dishes when we go out to eat. It's a great way to discover new flavors.
Lisa, absolutely. And it's always fun to see how different restaurants prepare their meals.
Tom, I'm glad we came here tonight. The atmosphere is so cozy.
Ben, yes, and the service has been excellent. I'm looking forward to tasting our food.
Waiter, here we are. The seafood risotto, lamb chop with garlic bread, pasta primavera, and steak. Enjoy your meal.
Lisa, this risotto looks amazing. I can't wait to try it.
Tom, and this lamb chop smells fantastic. I'm ready to dig in.
Anna, my pasta looks fresh and delicious.
Ben, the steak is cooked just right. This meal is going to be fantastic.
Anna, how's the steak, Ben?
Ben, it's really tender and flavorful. I'm glad I chose this.
Lisa, the risotto is creamy and full of seafood. I'm loving it.
Tom, the lamb chop is perfect. The garlic bread is a nice touch too.
Anna, I'm glad everyone is enjoying their meals. It's always nice to have a great dining experience.
Waiter, how is everything? Is there anything else you need?
Lisa, everything is wonderful, thank you. Could we get some extra napkins, please?
Waiter, of course. I'll bring those right away.
Anna, that was a fantastic meal. I'm so full, but it was worth it.
Ben, yes, it was excellent. Let's ask for the check. Ben, excuse me, could we please have the check?
Waiter, certainly. I'll bring it to you right away. Waiter, here's your check. Take your time.
Lisa, thank you. We'll settle up now.
Tom, that was a wonderful experience. I'm glad we came here.
Anna, definitely. We should come back sometime.
Ben, absolutely. Let's head out and maybe take a walk.
Lisa, sounds like a great idea. Thanks for a lovely evening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed this story and learned some useful English phrases for dining out. Remember, practicing these phrases will help you feel more confident the next time you visit a restaurant. Thanks for watching English Through Stories. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging content. See you next time.